Bonus content. So let's see if we can do one of these interview questions from LeetCode. I have premium, so I have access to interview questions from Google, Facebook, and all these FANG companies. So let's try one and see if we can get through it in 10 minutes. I know you have more than an hour to do it, but let's see if we can get through it in 10 minutes. Find its minimum depth. The minimum depth is the number of nodes along the shortest path of the root down to the nearest leaf node. A leaf of the node with no children. Alright, let's DFS this. Def, DFS, self, root. And let's keep track of the depth. Self dot min equals 0, or no, big number, so let's say 10 to the 5. Okay, so let's see if root dot left equals none and root dot right equals none. Then we know that we need to update our min, self.min, with the d, and return if root dot left. Then what we want to do is we're going to DFS into the right. Oh no, left. And we're going to increment our depth. If we have a root dot right, we're going to go to the right and we're going to increment our depth. And I think that's it. Let's do our self.dfs here, starting at the root with a depth of 0, and we return self.min. See? That's not right. That should be starting at depth of 1. Let's try this guy for sanity. Although I shouldn't be trying multiple outputs, because then I need to account for if root is none. If root equals none, then we return 0. Alright, next question. Let's see. Given an array of integers with a possible duplicates, randomly output the index of the given integer number, given target number. You can assume that the given target number must exist in the array. The array size can be very large. Solution that uses too much extra space will not pass the judge. Given an array of integers with possible duplicates, randomly output the index of the given target number. So 3, pick 3 should return either index 2, 3, or 4 randomly. Each index should have equal probability of returning. Solution pick 3. If you pick 1, it should only be 0. Interesting. So I think what we can do here is we can store it into a map for n in nums self dot. Okay, if n in self.m, then I want to do self.m and equals or dot append. I want to add to that nums. I actually want to append its index. So I want to enumerate and then we're gonna go I here. If it's not there yet, then we create one. Okay, so now that we have the list, if we say we want to pick 3, then we go to that, we randomly choose one of those index. So how do you do a random int? I think rand int would pick one. Rand int. I think that is a function. Let's just guess here. What is it? Rand int Python. Random int. Random int. Start and stop. Okay, so apparently what we could do is import random here. Random between 0 and the length of the self dot m target, and then index here. Then we're going to say return the index, right? No, return the self dot m target index. I think that should be good. Null 3. Random. Oof. Index out of range. I think, is it inclusive? Included, so it's inclusive. So this should be -1. Alright, let's see. Alright, submit. Yes! Under 10 minutes, we passed the Facebook coding interview. We had an hour and 30 minutes. But congratulations. Let's see what our chances are of passing through this this Facebook interview. It takes a bit. If anything, I'll just cut this off and then show the response after. And we'll see. Oh, we have 94% of passing through. So, yeah, there we go. I call that a success. Next time.